Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good, they're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is a brand from Italy. It's called Bottega Verde. So Bottega Verde, and this one in particular is called Black Amber Uomo, or Uomo Black Amber. This one is 50 ml. In United Kingdom you can find under £25, and I was very curious to see how this smells. So it says Uomo Nero d'Ombra, which translates to Black Amber Uomo, or Uomo Black Amber by Bottega Verde. So it's a Italian brand. I never had anything from them before, so this is the first time, and let's see how it goes. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. And if you want to purchase more of my own perfumes, I leave them in the link. I'm the perfume, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. And if you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. I'll appreciate it very much. Okay guys, thank you very much, and let's go. So very simple packaging. This is a 50 ml bottle. They didn't have any other size. I usually go for bigger sizes, 100 ml, 75 ml, 125 ml, but they didn't have anything else. They only do it in 50 ml. So let's see how it is. Alright, so the bottle is quite good looking. Okay, so it's a good looking bottle. It's a black bottle, as it says Black Amber, and the cap is plastic, and the atomizer is modern and silver. And here we go, very good atomizer. So Bottega Verde Uomo Nero d'Ombra Eau de Toilette 50 ml, or Black Amber Uomo, or Uomo Black Amber. And let's see how this smells. Here we go, first sniff, first impression. Woo, fresh. So you know, reverse what it says Black Amber, forget that. It's very, very fresh, sweet, fresh. At the moment it's very, very citrusy. The citruses is like tangerine, lemony, maybe even a little bit bergamot in here. Yeah, definitely lemon and bergamot and tangerine, and also a little bit of fruitiness too, which is mainly at the moment is an apple. The apple is very crispy at the moment. It's crispy green apple. A little bit of spiciness to it. Definitely a little bit of pepperiness to it as well, making it a little bit of fizzy at the moment. Pepper, maybe a little bit of cinnamon in here, just a hint, just giving a little bit of that interesting facet, and also a little bit of sweetness. And the sweetness at the moment is mainly coming from the fruits. Okay, so it is a little bit watery, but very fresh water. Okay, and also fruity. The fruits, as I said, crispy apple. I'm smelling something like watermelon, melon smell to it as well. So a little bit on the tropical side as well. But the main fruits are very fresh. It's very juicy. It's very inviting. It's very happy. At the moment, reverse what it says, Black Amber is actually quite bright and it's quite happy fragrance. It's very, very good for this time of the year, for summer. The only thing is, because it's got sweetness to it, maybe it's better suited for evening or cooler summer. If it's very, very high heat, it could be cloying. Yeah, a little bit of leafy, grassy, green feel to it as well. A little bit of herbal feel to it. I said this many times in my videos before that Italians know how to do citrus. they do citrus better than anybody else, almost most of the time. And in this instance is no exception. The quality of that citrus is beautiful. It's very natural. It's no overpowering. It's quite gentle, and but it smells natural, which is the main thing. Obviously, for this price point, you don't expect 100% natural ingredients in here. Maybe around 20 to 30% in the ingredients are natural, and the rest are synthetic. But they doing a very good job of making it smell like very, very natural smell. They masking it quite well, and also the blend is very nice in here. It's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's very, very it didn't smell synthetic, didn't smell chemical, didn't smell harsh. So it's very, very smooth. Right now it's buttery smooth. Yeah, it's a musky aspect to it as well, and also the base is quite woody. The woods are very, very clean. It's a combination of cedar and sandalwood. And also I detect something little bit earthy. Maybe there is a patchouli in here, but definitely there is a vetiver in here to give it that grassy green feel, and also quite fresh in the same time. So if you like a gentlemanly, this is a very, very gentleman-like smell to it. Smell a little bit on the mature side. I would say 25 and up to in the safe side, unless you like this kind of fragrances, which doesn't mean anything. Overall, it is a little bit of reminiscent of 70s and 80s, or maybe 80s and 90s fragrances. Yeah, I would say 80s and 90s, little bit of reminiscent of those eras. It's got a little bit of classical feel to it, but not too dated. It's not too old or something like that. But it's got a little bit of reminiscent of 80s and 90s feel to it as overall. Yeah, the sweetness in here mainly coming from the fruits, but I think there is a vanilla in the base, because there is a sweetness coming from the depth, which most likely to be vanilla. But again, it's very well done, it's very balanced, everything is done to perfection. The Italians are one of the best out there to make you very, very good quality, especially citruses fragrances. And this is opened up beautifully, opened up with citrus, fruits, watery, green, amber. The amber in here, it says black amber, forget about that. It's very, very fluffy, it's very bright, it's very happy. Although there is a little bit of a hint of spiciness in here, which is mainly pepper and cinnamon, but it doesn't give it that much depth to call it black amber. The name, it is what it is. But to me, this is a bright amber, very fluffy, very effervescent, is very, very well done. So overall, if you like an ambery fragrance which is fresh for summer, is good for summer, it's fruity, is citrusy, is watery, is green, is grassy, is woody, and is musky in the same time, this is a very, very good quality. The smell is great. You can find it, it retails for £35 for 50 ml, but you can find it in United Kingdom under £25 if you do your research. For that price, is very, very good. I highly, highly recommend it. Well, the thing is, you have to wait and see for the performance. If the performance is anything good, we'll have a big, big bang on our hand, because the smell is exquisite. I love how they basically introduce you to those very, very good quality citruses, plus the fruits, and everything in here smells very, very good all together. Very balanced, very well done, very well blended, very, very well done. This brand I need to explore more, but for the first time I'm smelling them. Yes, 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 especially this one in particular. So this one is called the brand themselves is Bottega Verde, and this one in particular called Bottega Verde Uomo Nero de Ombra et de Toilette 50 ml, or Uomo Black Amber. So for a first impression, yes, 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 I give it 2 thumbs up. It smells great, but again, let's see how is the performance. If the performance is good, mamma mia, what a beauty. So who is it for? This is definitely for people who like a little bit on the classical side, fresh, citrusy, fruity, watery, green, grassy, musky, woody, ambery fragrance. Quite fresh. It's not super fresh, but it is very, very fresh. It's good for summer. It's good for this time of year. It's a fresh summer, definitely. It's very happy. It's very bright. It's very inviting, and overall, it's very captivating. It's very well done. It's very well put together, and the quality is very, very good, especially for the price. And in the next video, I'll let you the rest of it, how it goes. In terms of age, as I said, 25 and over to be in the safe side. In terms of sex, anybody can wear it, ladies and men, no problem. This kind of fragrances don't have sex. Vast majority of fragrances out there don't have gender anyway. It's all marketing BS. Don't fall for it. If you like a smell, wear it. If you don't like a smell, don't wear it. As simple as that. Yes, gender is genderless, and also in terms of, although it leans quite masculine because of that feel of classical to it, and also the season definitely better suited for warmer weather, but if it's lost, then you can use it all year round. And in terms of occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down, formal, informal, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual, anything you want. It's actually quite very, very opulent, but because the price is right and the character of the fragrance is very easygoing and friendly, you can use it anywhere you want. Okay, guys, so if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems, and this one looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfume myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They are one of the best ingredients in the world. For the price you're paying, you don't know what you're missing, especially people in the United Kingdom. You don't know how lucky you are, because people are messaging me almost every day, please send it to this country, that country, but unfortunately the post doesn't allow me to do that. Otherwise, I would love to send it to people all around the world to smell it, to enjoy it, but unfortunately this is one of those things. It's out of my hand, and it's quite a headache, and it's a heartache for me anyway. So if you want perfumes that are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, they smell great, they smell highest quality you can get, no alcohol, no preservative, no synthetics, just pure perfume oil for you lucky people in the United Kingdom, and they are super, super strong, and they are very, very unique, and they are different from each other. There are 20 of them in my lineup. I'll leave them in the link, and if you want to invite me to a coffee, you could do that as well. Thank you very much as always, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.